Can I get my money back from Manulife? Whether or not you can get your money back from Manulife depends on the type of policy you have and the circumstances. For some types of insurance, there are options to receive a refund or return of premiums, while for others, the money you've paid may be non-refundable. Understanding your specific policy type and its terms will help clarify whether or not you can get your money back. 1. Refund on life insurance premiums. For most life insurance policies, including those from Manulife, premiums are generally non-refundable. However, there are some scenarios where you might be able to get money back, surrendering a permanent life insurance policy. If you have a permanent life insurance policy like whole life or universal life, you may be able to access the cash value accumulated over time if you decide to cancel the policy. This amount will be the surrender value, which could be higher than the premiums paid, depending on how long the policy has been in force and how much cash value it has built. Free look period. If you recently purchased a life insurance policy and decide to cancel it within the free look period, usually 10 to 30 days, you may be able to get a full refund of the premiums paid, provided you haven't made any claims during this period. Second, refund on health or disability insurance. For health or disability insurance, premiums are generally non-refundable, as the coverage provided is ongoing and meant to pay for claims. However, in some cases, cancellations and premium refunds. If you cancel your health or disability policy early, some insurers, including Manulife, may provide a prorated refund for unused premiums, depending on the terms of the policy. Overpayment. If you've overpaid premiums due to administrative errors, Manulife should issue a refund for the overpaid amount. 3. Manulife investment products, e.g. mutual funds, RRSPs. If you have an investment product, such as a mutual fund or registered retirement savings plan, RRSP, you can usually withdraw funds, but it's important to note market risk. The value of your investment may have increased or decreased based on market performance. You can withdraw the amount in the account, but it may not be the same as the money you initially invested. Early withdrawal penalties. Some investment accounts, such as RRSPs, may have tax implications or penalties for early withdrawal. Fourth, Manulife's return of premium rider. Some Manulife policies, such as return of premium life insurance riders, offer a refund option where you may receive the premiums paid for a term life insurance policy back if you outlive the policy. However, these riders are typically more expensive than standard term life insurance policies. 5. Cancellations and policy changes. If you wish to cancel or make changes to your policy, Manulife allows you to do so, but the specifics depend on the policy type. In most cases, you won't receive a refund unless there is a valid cancellation clause or free look period. 6. How to request a refund. Step 1. Contact your Manulife representative or customer service to discuss your policy and request a refund or surrender value. Step 2. Provide the required documentation, such as your policy number, to initiate the refund process. Step 3. If canceling, complete any necessary forms and ensure you understand any consequences on coverage or benefits. Manulife may provide a refund in specific situations, such as during the free look period for new policies, or if you surrender a permanent life insurance policy with accumulated cash value. However, for most policies, premiums are generally non-refundable. Would you like to explore your refund options with Manulife or other insurance providers? Click on the link in the description below.